Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit card documents in TD Bank Digital detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your credit card documents in TD Bank Digital, start by logging into your TD Bank online account. Open your web browser and go to the TD Bank website. Enter your user ID and password in the designated fields. Click on the Login button to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section from the main menu. Select the credit card account for which you want to back up documents. Look for the option labeled Documents or Statements in your account menu. Click on that option to view your available documents. You may see statements, payment receipts, or other important documents displayed. To back up a specific document, click on the document you wish to download. A preview may appear, allowing you to review the document before saving. Look for a download icon or an option that says Download or Save. Click this option to initiate the download process. Choose the preferred location on your computer or device where you want to save the document. For easy retrieval, consider creating a dedicated folder for your TD Bank documents. After selecting the location, confirm the download. Wait for the document to finish downloading. Once downloaded, open the folder where you saved the document to ensure it is accessible. If you need to back up multiple documents, repeat the process for each one. Remember to keep your backup folder organized for future reference. For added security, consider using cloud storage services to back up your documents. Make sure to log out of your TD Bank account after completing the backup process. Your credit card documents are now securely backed up and ready for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.